Hello everyone, welcome back to another Watchin. Today I've got a quick box opening of my watchgang black membership watch for August. Before we get to that, we'll do a quick wrist check and you'll see that I am wearing the Boulder Explorer 2 GMT. This was a watchgang black watch forever ago, and this watch takes more abuse than any watch I've ever owned and still looks good. As a matter of fact, I was wearing this one today while I was out working on one of the old cars. Speaking of old cars, if you're into old cars, make sure you check out my other channel, Mileage Unknown. It's in the notes below. And like I said in the last video, going forward, this is going to be a keep or sell type video. Now, if you're unfamiliar with Watchgang, it is a monthly subscription company. It's been around for quite a while now, and I might be one of the longest running subscribers to Watchgang. I would say I'm the longest subscriber still doing videos for Watchgang. I've been doing them forever. All right, members guide. What do we got? Now, Watchgang is a monthly subscription company. You pay a fee, you get a watch. And there are different tier levels in Watchgang. And right now I only subscribe to the black tier level, which is the $150 tier level now. I was grandfathered in at $99. So also, if you're thinking of signing up for Watchgang, make sure you click my link below. Get you some wheel spin points, me some wheel spin points. And I also have promo codes and discount codes for Spinnaker, Aviate, and Ballast. So click those links, save yourself some money. Now it looks like what I've received this month is a Walbrook. Not one I have heard of. Let's take a look what we got going on in here. We got an Instagram contest. We got all kinds of cards. Not sure what's in the pack. Have you guys heard of Walbrook? What do we got? We got some extra spring bars. Or a extra spring bar. Nope, there's another one in there. Okay. Set those aside. Because, who knows? This could be a keep or a sell. What do we got here? Walbrook watches, cleaned for service, maintain clean tool watch. Okay, interesting. Kind of a nice little pouch it's in. Alright. Kind of a nice, simple, clean one. I like that those are quick release spring bars. Kind of weird having a NATO, almost NATO nylon style strap with spring bars like that, but kind of interesting. Let me see if I can see the case back here without fully taking that out. That's kind of a cool etched back on that one. So it's not always easy to see from behind the camera, but you can see it says the proof is in the Sahara mission parts. There's a lot of interesting stuff on this one. And honestly, it looked like it was assembled in Paris. So, you know, it's kind of a simple, clean watch. Still got the plastic on it. It says it's a mecha quartz movement, so this one obviously is a quartz movement. But man, I actually kind of like how simple and clean this one is. And a lot of the watches I've been getting on bracelets have felt almost a little cheaper recently. And I haven't liked the bracelets enough, so it's kind of turned me off on a lot of them. This one actually, I think, might be a keeper. You know, it's funny because originally I didn't like the Boulder that much, and I beat the crap out of this watch, and it's turned into a very good watch. And I'm wondering if this one could be similar. It's a little bit smaller, so a little bit smaller case design overall, which I've been kind of moving away from the large and in charge watches. So let's put this one on and see how it looks on my wrist. Definitely looks like you'd have plenty of space if you had a larger wrist on this one. Oops. I actually like it. It's simple, it's clean, it just actually looks really good to me. So, that being said, this one is gonna be a keeper. I'm gonna go ahead and keep this one, which means I will actually do some legit research on it and an actual follow-up review on this one. Let me know what you guys think of this one in the comments below. As always, guys, thanks for watching.